Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up integration to transfer new leads from TikTok to Slack. This is necessary to automatically transfer new leads from TikTok to other systems. For example, through Slack, you can receive personalized notifications every time there is a new lead from TikTok and never miss it. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the data source system, TikTok. Next, you need to select an action. Get leads, new. At this stage, you need to connect your TikTok account to the ApiX-Drive service. At this stage, you must specify the username and password for your TikTok business account. After this, you need to indicate the code that will be sent to your email. Next, we provide ApiX-Drive access to work with your TikTok account. When the connected account appears in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. Next, you need to select an advertising account. Now select the page. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so click Continue. At this point, you should see test data on one of your TikTok leads. If there are no real leads, click Load Test Data from TikTok and you will see an example of test data with fields filled in. If you are satisfied with everything, click Continue. This completes the TikTok data source setup successfully. Now you need to go to the data destination setting. Choose a system, Slack. Next, select an action. Send message, personal. At this stage, you need to connect your Slack account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you need to enter your workspace URL. To do this, go to your personal Slack account. Copy the URL without additional characters. Next, you need to specify the login and password for your Slack personal account or log in via Google. Specify the username and password for your Google account. At this stage, we grant permission to ApiX-Drive to work with your Slack account. When the connected login appears in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. At this stage, you need to select a user who will receive personalized notifications for each new lead from TikTok. In the text field, you can assign variables from TikTok that you want to receive in personalized notifications. To do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Please note that you can use not only variables, but also enter values manually. To go to the next line, use Enter. When all the necessary variables are assigned, click Continue. At this stage, you see an example of the data that will be sent to Slack in the form of personalized notifications for each new lead from TikTok. If you are not satisfied with something, click Edit and you will go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Slack. After successful sending, go to Slack and check the result. If you are satisfied with everything, return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue setting up. This completes the setup of Slack as a data destination. Now you need to enable auto update and select an update interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.